SIPHONOSTELE. Stele is the central core of the stem and root of a vascular plant, consisting of the vascular tissues, that is xylem and phloem, and associated supporting tissue like pericycle and pith. There are two types of steles, protostele and SIPHONOSTELE. Protostele, it is a primitive type. Here, a solid cylinder of xylem is surrounded by a layer of phloem and it has no central pith. It is present in stems and roots of certain lower plants, for example, Xylotum, a type of fern. Protostele includes four types. Haplostele, in which the vascular tissues are smooth without lobes or mixing of the tissues, example Selaginella or spike moss. Actinostele, in which star-shaped xylem core is surrounded by phloem, example Lycopodium serratum or club moss. Plectostele, in which xylem plates alternates with phloem plates, example Lycopodium clavatum. Mixed protostele, in which xylem groups uniformly scattered in the phloem, example Lycopodium cernum. Now SIPHONOSTELE, in which xylem is surrounded by a phloem with pith at the center. SIPHONOSTELE includes mainly 6 types. Ectoploic SIPHONOSTELE, amphiploic SIPHONOSTELE, solenostele, dictyostele, eustele, atactostele, polycyclic stele. Ectoploic SIPHONOSTELE. The phloem is restricted only on the external side of the xylem with pith at the center. Example, Osmunda or royal fern. Amphiploic SIPHONOSTELE. The phloem is present on both the sides of xylem with pith at the center. Example, Marsilia. Solenostele. The stele is perforated at a place or places corresponding the origin of the leaf trace. It is of two types, ectoploic solenostele, amphiploic solenostele. In ectoploic solenostele, phloem is present only on outer side. Example, Nicotiana. In amphiploic solenostele, phloem is present on both the sides of the xylem. Example, Adiantum pedatum. Dictyostele. Stele is separated into several vascular strands and each one is called meristele. Example, Polypodium and Adiantum capillus veneris, etc. Eustele. The stele is split into distinct collateral vascular bundles around the pith. Example, dicot stem. Atactostele. Here, the distinct collateral vascular bundles are scattered in the ground tissue. Example, monocot stem, maize. Polycyclic stele. Vascular tissues are present in the form of 2 or more concentric cylinders. Example, pterygium.